What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from a brand new location today, Dinosaur World in Plant City, Florida. They've invited us out to check out Jurassic Haunt, a new Halloween event going on here, and there's a lot to see and do. Let's go. Here we go. About to enter. Alright, so we just got inside, and this is what we are here for, Jurassic Haunt, the Cursed Unearthed. And you can get tickets right there with that QR code. Select nights, as you can see, 11th, 12th, 18th, 19th, and 25th, and 26th. Lots of different things to do. In fact, here is a park map. All of this pretty much on the left-hand side over here. Well, that's going to be the spooky area. This over here is apparently closed down. They don't do a Halloween portion over in this area, but this area, yeah, we're going to see spooky dinos. This shop is pretty incredible. Lots of different souvenirs. You can even buy authentic dinosaur stuff. Mosasaurus jawbone. Say what? Yep, only $4,000. Oh, forgive me. The amount of stuff they have in here that's really cool. Well, my brain can't comprehend. Look, a Mosasaurus skull. T-Rex leg bone. They have raptor stuff in here also. A Triceratops horn. It's insane. Look at that. So many neat things in here. And here we are. Hot set. That's right, we're filming today. Check it out. We got lights all over the trees. At night, this is really going to glow. We have light up dinosaurs right here, too. It also appears we're going to have Christmas at Dinosaur World. November 29th through January 5th. Select nights, of course. Just like this one with the Jurassic Haunt. Look at that Brontosaurus, all lit up. Little campsite over here. And that dinosaur is all lit up too. That's awesome. Donut, forget to vote. Okay, well, we'll figure out what that's all about. In the meantime, lots of skeletons and gravestones over here. More dinosaurs. Look at that guy. He's riding a dino. Photo op for a chance to win free prizes. Let's check it out. And here we go. Here is the photo op. So right here, you can get some candy, take a photo as well. That is fantastic. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. So what you do is after you've taken your photo, scan the QR code and you can upload to there and have a chance at winning some prizes. Got a bar. Alright, and for those of you wondering what they have to drink at the bar, well, there's cider, beer, and wine. Refills are $8, drinks are $10 to start, and you get a souvenir cup. And here are the options. So they have wine right there, strawberry, sweet blueberry, wild berry, and they have cider, pumpkin, watermelon, and then they have beer, American lager. So a lot of different options.
A watermelon, absolutely.
Decorations up all over the place. Music playing, pumpkins and the likes. And we're moving on. And over here we have a games area. There is a ring toss, knock down the cans and balls. Also the red circle game. You can see each game is only $2. Not bad price wise. They do have some prizes over here on the table. And you can get 4 sacks over here for this game. Get it in the hole for $2, just right there. Yet another photo opportunity spot with the werewolf. And kids can walk up, grab some candy, get a neat little photo, and continue on their way. What is this that I see? Aunt Sarah's fossil dig? So you can come in here and dig in the sand for fossils. Do keep in mind, this is a pay attraction. It's $3 per person if they want to dig for fossils. Continuing on. More lights up in the trees. I'm excited to see this place at night once it gets a little bit darker. More dinos all over the place. Little entryway here. Have a store. And we can see Uncle Rex's Dino Gem Mine. We do have candy over here as well. You can come over and grab some gemstones. Alright, and there we can see the prices. And there's different ones. So they have smaller bags, larger bags. Some have rare gemstones. But once you get your bag, you come over here and sift. We've seen these systems at IAPA many, many years before. It's kind of neat to see another one here in use. Skeletons and other creepy objects all over the place. I love the hats. Hats along the fence line, those are kind of nice. And here we are in our next section. Yes, it would appear that we've gotten a lot of water recently, and guess what? We're supposed to get a hurricane coming up soon too, so Florida is very wet right now. We have some characters up here. So they have spooky music playing.
He's turning around. You need to turn around.
Alright, this is an awesome bridge. Look at those lights. Scene 4. Well, that doesn't look good. Looks like it's been a bad day. They've got a lot of awesome trees and plants in here too. It really does feel like you're in the jungle. Ah! Was not expecting that. Dilophosaurus. That's neat. Want a photo op with a dinosaur head? You're in luck. More decorations over here. Scene 5, Amanda. Some of these guys do not have any lights on them. So I bet if you're walking through and it's really dark, it's kind of freak you out. It looks like we have a haunted train ride also. Man, kids would love this place. Heck, I love this place. I love dinosaurs. Gives information about each one of them too. It's kind of neat. Very informative. If I was growing up, 5-year-old me would have absolutely been here every weekend. Some of the areas over there we can't get to. They've been blocked off. But we have a Triceratops. A whole family, in fact. And right across the way, a predator. Duh, look at the baby. More lights up over here. Those are going to be on at a certain point, I'm sure. Dinosaurs over here. Scene 8, JD. So I anticipate they're going to have characters just like what we saw at some of the beginning areas. They'll be out here and kind of doing a little performance. Lights and decorations on the dinos over here. That one's super festive. Looks like the dinosaurs are ready for Christmas also. We even have a Rudolph dinosaur. Yet another scene. More dinosaurs, skeletons all over the place, lights. Now this is a dinosaur. Yeah, T-Rex. Looks awesome too. Information over here. Form. And then we can see the barricade up. So this is the end of the line, at least for this pathway, but yeah, that's so cool looking.
Bam. Is when I exhaled.
And more barricades up over here, blocking off that pathway. That's right, we're entering the pirate zone. More hats up in the tree over here. Along this bridge, beautiful fountain. This place is gorgeous, it really is. Another scene, and these guys have seen better days. Guess the hard hat didn't work out, did it? Cynthia, and Guadalupe. Definitely not our dino, as that's a Carnotaurus. A lot of different species in here. Well, looks like the raptors are getting dinner. And yes, because it's here, I have to do it. I have to boop the snoot. Boop. Thank you. And that definitely looks like me after a long day of fishing. Any luck, bud? Any bites? Gargoyles. More skeletons, more dinos. Hey, they're sticking with the theme. More lights over here, and there is the treasure chest. That means pirates have got to be near. Witch hat, all lit up right there. And here we can see the SS Dino World. I don't even want to know, but I do want to know how'd that happen. Tell me, guys. Come on. How'd you end up in the tree? Alright, these guys look angry. Although he might not be too dangerous. Looks like he's already been fed. This guy, though, definitely hungry. Got some Stegosauruses over here. More props. Hello! So we have a fossil area apparently. It's all decorated. Lots of lights. Spooky sounds. It is a photo opportunity spot. I love the Stegosaurus with all the skulls on top. And this one's got a skull for like a hat. Same with that one. Man, that guy is eating really good. It's funny, look at the cowboy trying to wrangle him. This place is hilarious too. Love the comedy with the skeletons. Uh-oh, that guy just broke out of jail and he made best friends with the dinosaur. Lucky. Actually, that might be the village people. Kind of looks like it. Alright, I don't know what the heck that thing in the water is, but that's terrifying.
I think it'll be hot.
And that guy had way too much to drink. Apparently Wonder Woman didn't make it. Darn. Again with the skeletons. Little nod to E.T. right here. That's fantastic. Even says E.T. phone home. With all the walking, don't worry. If you get tired, they have a dino couch. Rubber dub skeleton in the tub. Yep, there's one. Dinosaur World doesn't hold back. Even the little ones. Yep, they're skeletons too. Apparently, Scooby and the gang didn't make it out alive. Zoinks and jinkies! We have made a complete lap around the back area of the park with all the lights and dinosaurs and stops. Now we're going to explore the rest of this front area that we didn't check out earlier. Giant kids play area right next to the games area that we saw.
Alright, hold on. Now I gotta get
Looks like we found the food options. So we have kettle corn over here and some other delicious bites. For eats, we have fresh baked cookies over here, $6 each or 4 for $20, and there's a whole bunch of different flavors. Just beyond that, there are street tacos, hot dogs, chips, drinks, and the likes, and of course the kettle corn that we saw earlier. So again, pretty much every kind of cookie you can imagine. I've got them. That one sounds amazing. Strawberry shortcake. Remember how awesome this place looked earlier when it was a little bit light out? Well, now that night is upon us, it's so much better. Again, beautiful at night. There's our friends from ET. This place is pretty cool. And now that it's darker, we're getting a view of all the palm trees and all the lights. It's quite nice. Front area of the park now has all the lights on. It's dark. It looks amazing. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Dinosaur World for Jurassic Haunt. I gotta say, it was really kind of neat. A awesome walkthrough experience at night for families and kids. They have candy to hand out for the kids, all sorts of different activities like panning for gold and gemstones, photo ops, and of course dinosaurs galore. Some fun little adult humor along the way. I really enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys will have a chance to come out here and check it out yourself. We're going to have plenty more videos from here and other places from around the world. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.